Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to clean paint off of your carpet. If you have a paint stain on your carpet, it's best to try to get to it before it's dry, obviously, and you want to blot up the bulk of it with a paper towel. You'll be left with still a little bit of a stain, and a great home stain remover is made out of dishwashing liquid and water. If you use this and a rag, kind of blot that solution into the area and scrub it around. It will probably remove the bulk of the stain. You may have to try paint thinner if it's too late or if it's not all coming up, or you may need to call the paint manufacturer and ask them what the best thing they think would, the best idea they have for cleaning up your paint stain. If the paint is already dry, you want to spray some WD-40 on it or Goo Gone, and that'll help break it up and loosen it up and get it ready for you to try your homemade stain remover. Of course, after you put the stain remover on, you want to spray water all over the stain. I'd say don't spray too much because you don't want to saturate the padding underneath. And after you do that, just blot it. You may have to repeat this process several times before you end up with a clean spot. But with enough elbow grease, you can get anything out of the carpet just about. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove paint stains from carpet.